Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to read comic books online. And I'm showing you the best platforms and the right way to set up your digital comic. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose your platform. First, you need to decide between a subscription service or a store. For the Netflix experience, Marvel Unlimited or DC Universe Infinite give you thousands of back issues for a monthly fee. If you want to own specific books or read indies, Amazon's Kindle or Comixology is industry standard. For free and legal options, you may check out Global Mix. Next, setting up the reader. Once you have your service, you can download the app on a tablet if possible. Inside the settings, look for guided view or panel-to-panel mode. This is a game changer. Instead of squinting at a whole page, the app zooms into its individual panel, following the story's flow. It makes reading on the phone actually enjoyable. Step 3. Managing files. If you have your own DRM-free files like .cbr or .cbz, you will need a dedicated reader app. For PC or Mac, use CDisplay-X. And for iPad or Android, Chunky Comic Reader or Panels are top tier. Just drag your files into the app, and it will automatically organize them by series and issue number, complete with cover art. And lastly, quality and offline settings. Comics can be huge files. So, go into your app settings and set the download quality to high or original if you have the storage. And if you want to save it, always remember to hit the download for offline button before you leave. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.